You know what always blows my mind? How people can measure these tiny metal parts so precisely that even a tiny mistake can mess up a whole machine. I used to think they had some high-tech laser gadget for that. But no, my friend pulls out this small, weird-looking tool one day and says, "This little guy? This is all you need." It's called an outside micrometer. At first glance, it honestly looks like a tiny C-shaped wrench with a little twisty knob on the end. I figured, how complicated can this be? So I tried it. You stick the part you want to measure between its two flat surfaces, kind of like squeezing a cookie gently between your fingers. You don't want to crush it, just hold it. Then you start turning the knob, and that's where the magic happens. Inside, there's this superfine screw thread that moves the little rod forward in teeny tiny steps. Like, seriously tiny. Every time you turn it, the gap closes just a little bit more, until it just barely touches the part. And reading the measurement? It's like reading a fancy old watch. You look at the lines on the barrel and the little dial, and boom, you know the exact size of that part. No guesswork. That's why machinists love this thing. If a part is even slightly off, the whole machine can jam or rattle. But thanks to this humble little micrometer, everything fits perfectly. Hello friends. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps us continue bringing you clear, practical insights from the world of industrial and manufacturing. And if you enjoyed this kind of straightforward explanation, don't miss our previous video on Inside Micrometer, where we broke down its operation, key applications, and tips for accurate measurements in the same simple and easy-to-grasp way. You might learn a few details that'll make your work even more precise.